What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Curtis and we found camp in the snow before the sun went down. Check out the beautiful sunset right here. Looking gorgeous. Parker's gonna show up tonight probably like 9 o'clock when the roads are frozen, so I'll check back in with you guys when he arrives and we'll see what type of craziness he gets into over here in this kind of area where we're slipping and sliding. So we're gonna unpack, I'll show you guys everything and enjoy the sunset. All right, guys, I don't know about you, but we always bring we're gonna start bringing some gasoline to start the fire because fuck all the other ways. Kate's never seen a real gasoline lit fire before and she was surprised, huh? Came up real good. So got the fire going out here, nice and cozy. So Parker's gonna bring me some more wood because we only got like one bundle and it's pretty chilly tonight. It's gonna be 32 degrees, probably lower than that. So all right, guys, it's freezing out here. I don't know why we decided to go snow camping with no diesel heater or anything. Our fire's looking a little puny. Parker's on the rescue to get some firewood, but it's freezing. Try to make dinner, but yeah, it's time for bed, I would have to say. There he is, our wood delivery boy. We're freezing. Yeah, it looks pretty good on camera, but it kind of sucks. Let's see if he slips and slides. Oh my God. He made it. Woo! We're freezing. You ain't gonna get flat there, dude. I tried it. Oh, fuck. Oh no. Oh, he probably didn't air down. You didn't air down, did you? Did you air down? What? Did you air down?
Oh no, we're full pump.
Oh, it's pretty like deep though here. Parker delivered the firewood and it's nice now. It's very nice. Oh yeah. What do you think of the firewood delivery? Good morning, everybody. We woke up, made some breakfast, and just took my little morning shit with my 23-0 porta potty. And Parker's kind of over here, so we're gonna go rip around in the snow and have some fun. And it's gonna be a good day. So let's go check out some snow trails and everything. So we'll actually get to enjoy some of the snow today. So come along for the adventure. No, I would not do that. Tie rod fucking killer. I'd back up. Your left tire is like in a hole, yeah. Kind of come out this way. There you go. Yeah, you're in a hole. Woo! We ain't gonna make it, boys. We're done. I'll back it up. Maybe we'll give it a little gunner right now. Here we go. Nope. Fuck. All right, everybody. We ain't going to be able to make it all the way up the mountain. It's way too deep. I mean, I'm sure we could do it if we keep gunning it, but it's not safe. All I have is a pair of traction boards. That's it. Oh. It's about like a little past my wrist. Deep snow, so now we got to back up all the way down there in the mountain. It's really slippery, so let's hope we don't hit that tree right there. So let's get it. trash. All right, everybody, that's about it for this week's video. Make sure to check out my merch. I got some new hoodies and beanies on the website right now, and they look pretty freaking sweet for your snow season needs. But it was a fun day out here off-roading in the snow and camping. Me and Kate slept a lot better in the back with 2 sleeping bags and 2 blankets. It worked out better. I really wish we had the tent that came. It was supposed to come, but the shippers lost it. So hopefully I'll get it for next weekend. And I got my new BMX bike, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna have like some BMX overland adventure videos coming out pretty soon. And I know it's a little bit different than, you know, off-roading and overland content, but I'm still gonna be doing that and shredding my BMX bike at the cool skate parks around the country, doing overland adventure BMX videos. So it's gonna be cool. But we're airing up right now, and then we're gonna head home. And I appreciate you guys watching. Love you so much. Thanks for watching. You guys make me so happy. So peace out. Love you. Bye.